Hello, welcome guys to our channel Cloud Tested Solutions. So guys, today we will see how we can monitor our Ubuntu system, that is real time monitoring. तो आज हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि हम लोग रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग लिनक्स सिस्टम का हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं. Okay, how we can do that the monitoring. So like if we have configured here the Ubuntu system and we need to monitor our Ubuntu system at real time. So we have one tool that like we need to install the one tool in our Ubuntu system. So that name is Netdata, and that will give monitor everything in real time for free with Netdata, that is open source. Okay, open source tool. Okay, so that we will install in the system. Okay, so I have configured here the Ubuntu system 18.04. We can see here the Ubuntu 18.04, and this is a public IP 1665.0.168.201. That so we need to configure, and this is Ubuntu system like, and main important the port we have enabled. Which ports we have enabled? So one 4x9 the security group, and 22443, that is mandatory, like the 44380. Okay, and all ICMP 4. Okay, so 80 and 443 is and this is also important, 1 4x9. Okay, after, so I have take the, okay, it's gone. Okay, I am taking once again the, yeah, okay, I am increasing the font, just a minute. 14. Okay, 14, it will sufficient to you. So Ubuntu is our the username, and okay, so we need to go first here in sudo, and one line command is only we need to paste. So this is a one line command for this installation of the Netdata. So I have configured, okay, copy, and I'm pasting here, that is a script, and we need to click Y to accept. That is showing here your Netdata configuration will retain, and Netdata will restart. Okay, restarted, and then Netdata restore. These are the steps, and this taking from the GitHub. Okay, so we need to type Y and hit enter. Within 1 minute it will install. It's installing. Yeah, systemctl start Netdata. Okay, and downloading default. Yeah, it's done. So we can see here the Netdata is installed now, and we can try with the IP, our public IP, and let's see with that. I'm opening one browser here to show you. So this is our the incognito, and our public IP address is 65.0.168.201. Yeah, okay. Colon 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, great. So we can see here that Netdata real time performance monitoring done right. तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि मॉनिटरिंग में यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में सब वहाँ पे मेनू दिख रहा है कि सीपीयू है, मेमोरी, डिस्क. So we can monitor using the charts. It's real time. Okay, so in this we can see the downward side. After some time it will show us the charts here. We can see here the, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग कि वहाँ पे चार्ट जो है वो लाइव में चल रहे हैं. Okay, here this is I am showing you here the one. First one is here the, yeah, network interface. This is our the network interface. This is our the CPU. Wait, I'm showing you here the CPU. Yeah, this is CPU. I hope Okay, okay. So CPU utilization it's showing, then memory utilization, okay, disk utilization, XPDA, then yeah, multiple are the menus are here, okay, that we can see that network interfaces is also there, applications whichever we have installed, suppose in CPU, see here it's running continuously, it's running because it's real time, okay. After 1 minute or the 30 seconds, it will run the graph automatically. Okay, see, it's running. I hope you understand how we can monitor this Ubuntu system with CPU utilization, memory utilization, many parts are there and many reports we can see. आपको ये समझ गया होगा how we can see that the monitoring of the Ubuntu system. Okay, तो ये मुझे लगता है ये समझ में आ गया होगा आपको भी. So subscribe our channel and let's see in the next video with the new solution. Thank you so much. Let's see. Thank you so much.